I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are tackling the back-to-school morning routine with an easy and cheesy recipe that I'm sure you'll think is excellent. Let's be honest, one of the best things about back to school is that we get our family into routine. But one of the hardest things is that morning routine. And so today's recipe of easy bake-ahead egg puffs is going to help you simplify your morning, and they're amazing because they can be eaten at home or on the go, like in the car. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And now while your oven is preheating, we're going to chop our veggies. Now you can put any vegetables into this recipe, which is great. For our family, we love peppers and onions. And I use 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, and 1 onion. Drizzle your pan with olive oil and set it on medium-high heat. And once the pan is warm, then we're going to toss the veggies in and saute them until they are soft and the onions are translucent. Once your veggies are done, then we're going to transfer them to a bowl and let them set and cool. While your veggies are cooling, we're going to make the egg base. In a blender, crack 6 eggs, add half a teaspoon of salt, and a couple shakes of pepper. Give it a quick whip. You can definitely do this by hand, but I use a blender because I love my eggs to be thoroughly whipped, and I know this when they're this beautiful pale yellow color. Combine your egg mixture with your veggies, mixing really well, and adding in the 2 cups of shredded cheese. You can use any cheese that your family likes. I love the 4 blend of Mexican cheese from Tillamook, as I think it provides really great flavor. After your eggs and cheese and veggies are all mixed, we're going to transfer them into the silicone muffin tin. I use 1/4 cup with a spout so that it makes the transfer of the egg into the tin a lot cleaner. After I've put in all of the egg mixture, then we add the ham. I give a loose, quick chop to the ham. The great thing about going to the Market of Choice Deli is that I can ask them for 1/4 pound of thinly sliced ham. I always say pizza slice. And it makes sure that the egg puffs don't have large pieces of ham, but each bite is just really flavorful. After the ham is chopped, we sprinkle it into each individual egg puff. Top it with the remaining 1 cup of shredded cheese and pop them into the oven for 20 minutes, checking it with a toothpick just to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. After they're finished baking, I usually let them cool for 2 to 3 minutes just so that they keep the puff shape. And then I transfer them to a cooling rack. What's fantastic about this recipe is they can be eaten right away, or once fully cool, I transfer them to a container or even into a Ziploc bag, and we can eat them all week long. You can find more of these recipes to ease the back-to-school routine and get your kids involved on the blog at marketofchoice.com, because after all, the best place to connect with our kids is in the car and in the kitchen. And these are so good.